Kinong yalam kaseng Kongres haka Jylla haka arpasan tarik unai wing kila penpau bakijing pet seng jong ki khat Ngut ki MLA hapo kajing yalam u Dr. Mukul M Sangma kadai ke balai subuit la slamba bat kini ki MLA ke bala pet seng kila Shet kelai o Paidbah bala penjob yaki kum ki kertong jong kaseng Kongres. Presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent pala habaya kren bat kilat patai kubor ulaong bak jingmi jong Dr. Mukul rengkat bat ki khatwai Ngut ki MLA kaseng Kongres kadai ke bakalia sela mentala jandon arsnem AA bat kam shimla don setia kanu ke jing duna ni jing bakla hapo kaseng Kongres bat kinu yalam kaseng Kongres kila dep tip lupa hakisau ni san benai ki beladep bahkan ni kan saja. Ulaong ki Paidbah kila jit yaki kum ki kertong ke Kongres bat kini ki MLA kila Shet kelai ki Paidbah nong tak vote bat ki Paidbah jong ke Jylla hendrai ki don pat ka hok ban lek kum tai namar ba ki don ne ke jing pun pat. Presiden ke MPCC ulaong ke jingmi no jong kini ki MLA kamdai setia namar ke jing simti jong kum nong yalam ke Kongres haka Jylla bat ki MLA ki badang don haka seng Kongres ke tu bau Dr. Mukul ula kren bat kro yaki la slamba benyami no na ke Kongres hendrai ke ne ke jing temu kam simla urlong haka to ki por hendrai kalawan urlong menta nakaliang secretary ke AICC ubak mi ya ke Jylla umanish chatrat ulaong baka seng kan saya selok bat kinu yasat an ke Jylla bat jong ke AICC bat lada kishim ya kanu karai kan sapentip hendrai ya mentahi ke seng Kongres kampat shim ya kanu karai ayu kan le persya ikini MLA ke bala pen na keseng. Halor ke jing keno Dr. Mukul Sangma ba kaseng Kongres kam simna lak bantre kam bha kum kaseng kabadon hakaliang persya nakaliang umanish chatrat ulaong lada ke Kongres kam larkam kadai nakadau jong Dr. Mukul bat u presiden ke MPCC ki bakmi ya kaseng kumta depan keno yakihi kat ba ke kong amperin lingdo kalong ke Kongres kam don ke jing benut ni jing benyau halo ke jing pet seng kini ki MLA hendrai ka seng ka shim ba ke jing mi no jong kini kalong kumbaweng no ikisop un nakatiar.
This is it doesn't happen suddenly, and this they have planned it right for the last 1.5 or 2 years. That's very clearly stated that. So there's nothing wrong. I'm meeting in either in Delhi this time or previously. I think it's purely they are in the opposition and they think by shifting the party they may have a chance to be in the ruling. That's clearly stated by Dr. Mukul and his friends. So I think as far as the party is concerned, there's nothing wrong in our systems. But to be truthful, we knew it much in advance. 4 or 5 months before, we knew that these things will happen. So I can't tell you that we also be prepared for it. And we knew that these things will happen. And we had a series of meetings, MLAs, MDCs also. Even a few days before, so we had a meeting here. We told them that we should be prepared. That's why we have done the enrollment very aggressively. That's why we have done the youth election very aggressively. That's why I have toured from blocks to blocks, from different district to different districts. So I think we prepared for it. And as you all know, this is not the first time that the Trinamool also is in Meghalaya. This is the second time P.A. Sangma became an MP from Trinamool. So we don't underestimate them. After all of them are leaders. But we so will fight. I think the people has elected them as the Congress candidates. I personally feel that they have betrayed the voters. They have betrayed the people of Meghalaya. But in spite of all this, what I said, they have every right to do so because they have got the majority. But I simply say that it's a big challenge for us. There's no doubt about that. We'll face the challenge, and I'm very confident that we'll come out very strongly with these incidents. And I just took over on 18th of September. So they was clearly said that it's not because of my taking over. They said right before only. The main reason, I think, they have been in opposition for quite so long. And some of our MLAs here, so they said that Dr. Mukul has contacted before, much before I became the president. He contacted that for leaving the party. But somehow I think it didn't click with other parties, and it is clicking now. So it's not because of my induction as a president. Honestly, my induction as a president And the change of the president was not initiated by the High Command. It's not initiated by Delhi. It was at the initiative from the state leaders, including Dr. Mukul Sangma. Dr. Bom himself, his mother was not well. That's why he himself said that we should have a new president. So there's nothing wrong, I think, in my appointment. And in their speech also, I don't think they question my appointment.
Ngi laju yai keren bat ngi ju yai ban ya kani kawi ke benta. Ngi dei kaseng kabayar, kaseng kabahe, kaseng kabayeng halor kinong rim. Lada kinong yalam jongi ki tek shitik klet no ya ki issues ki ba ka Jylla ka jongi ka shem. Jaka bakin ya teli bangin ya le persya ya kani ka jingban ben hakatei ka pot sam jong ka Jylla ka jongi jaka bangin ya kren syapang ka jing hiran jong ka yok ka kot jong kinong snong kia bun kam tang ya ka le politics tingi ngi ong kum ni kum ka se kongres ngim don ka jing benun ngim don ka jing benniau pindapet ha ka ni ka kamera ki besong hakmat ki kamera jongi jong phi but hakmat jong phi baro ki dei kita ki new generation leaders ki bangin pen krek ladai kapor ya ke Jylla ke bait ke jongi bakan wan lamno ya kita kinong ya lam ki bandum syak ngop ha kata ka yet suki ki nong kersan ki jongi ha baki kersan teng ingi ber ki penjob ingi lembang ka seng kongres ki expect ingi bangin tre ya ka kamram lajong bat bangin pet ba ngi yada ya ka hok jong ki nong song snong jong ka Jylla ka jongi.
It is not a matter of Dr. Mukul only, it is a matter of all 12 MLAs. For us, all 12 MLAs were MLAs. So definitely now they have gone, so nothing more has to be done in this regard. Now what we need to do is, we need to strengthen our party, our organization in the seats where these MLAs have gone, which we'll start from now.